How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings with a little bit of construction strobe lights for trucks. Your #1 source for LED emergency equipment. Strobe lights like what you see here in this video. What we got here is a 2015 Ford F-550 cab and chassis for a very popular mining company that we do a lot of work for. They're nationwide. It's got a boom arm on the back with a man basket. Mounted to the roof of that truck, we've got our Whelen Sentry mini LED bar in 23-inch size, permanent mounted. In the grill, we have our W66 Wicked Warnings grill light in an amber and white, as well as the 20-inch bumper grill bar and mount in white. As you can see, we've got that awesome flood of white light, so they have any kind of emergency where they need some extra light on the road, they've got it. Along the side of the truck here, we've also mounted our TIR3s on the badge. Let me show you a little closer. Here you can see how we've mounted the TIR3s. That right in front of the F-550 fits nice in the eagle's beak of that badge on both sides. Gives you a little bit of side warning and a very easy installation. Here you can see how our perfect fit grill bar there takes the entire top opening of that grill. We went with an interlaced amber white bar on this particular build. And out back there, we've elected to use vertically mounted our Thin-X TIR Series. And they appear to be steady, but they're actually not. They're on an extremely fast pattern that it almost looks steady with the camera, but it really isn't. I can guarantee you, as you can see there, they are flashing. This truck, we wanted to give it the loudest, most aggressive warning we really could, because when the man is up in the basket and there's danger down below, some of these mines have some very big dump trucks, very big end loaders, front end loaders, and we wanted to protect the guy up in the man basket. They had some real concerns about getting injured from collisions from larger pieces of equipment. So we tried to give him the best package we could within the budget, make this truck as effective as possible. Here you can see that 23-inch mini bar sneaking through, and it's actually a lot brighter in person. I'm going to do a little 360 outside so you can see what this truck really looks like driving around. It's a little hard to get the scope of it. Big truck like this makes a shop look small. Stand by. All right, so here we have the truck outside. We're just going to go ahead and drive it around a little bit, show you what this looks like. Definitely adequate warning. Hey, thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. If you got a fleet truck like this and you need to get some more adequate warning on it, give us a call and we'll take care of it. You'll look just as good as this truck here. Thanks again for watching.